How to remove phone number from YouTube account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually remove your phone number from your YouTube account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your phone number from your YouTube account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open YouTube. Now you don't remove phone number from YouTube account. Your YouTube runs because of Google account, so basically you have to remove the phone number from your Google account. Open up YouTube, then just tap the profile icon from the top right, go to manage your Google account here. Once you tap on manage Google account, go to personal info. When you go to personal info, scroll down, and then here you'll be able to see your phone number. To remove it, all you have to do is just tap on the phone number option. Once you tap on the phone number option over here, you should be able to see the phone numbers that you've added. Once you've added those specific phone numbers, scroll down and then just go ahead and remove those phone numbers by just tapping on it and then just choosing the option called delete over here. By tapping delete, you'll successfully delete this phone number from your Google account. This is simply how you can remove your phone number from Google account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.